Hi, this is Reece from CreataCRM, and we're going to be showing you how to manage invoices from Creata in the sales section. Now, invoices obviously when people are buying, and this really covers the couple of elements. One particular element we want to cover is the cash sale in sales invoice section. You do have scan items in there, and you can have weights and a few other things. So this section of the video is grouped up with sales, meaning if you're going to do a quoting and then do ordering and sales, it's all one view in the section. And this is the invoice, starting at the invoice section. And the key element is pretty much walk-ins, or you want to actually send out an invoice and send to the accounts if they have a accounts system set up for them, or like in terms of 30 days or something like that, or if it's a walk-in. So we're going to go cover that right now. So let's show you how it looks. So we're going to start with the sales dashboard in the sales section here, and we click on the sales drop-down menu, and then we click on the plus sign in the sales section. This time I'm going to click on Invoices, which is the first one here. You click on that and it's going to pop up the screen. Because we had in the sales type both, you can choose either both invoice or cash sale when you click on an invoice. So the invoice is creating invoices and putting it into the accounting package itself. You're going to mark it as paid. Cash sale is automatically paid. Okay, so those are the two differences. So for example, in some currency packages, when you do, they already have cash sales. It means it's paid and done and dusted. So they're great for walk-in people, and most people will create an account, put cash sales into the account. So we'll show what that looks like. So if you want to set up in the cash sales section of a cash sale person, most people know what that means, but if you don't, you go to the tool settings section in sales and see default customer in the accounting package is called cash sale. So that helps out. So every walk-in person, you create a cash sale, the customer's called cash sale. You don't need to do that because you just press a button, it's automatically defined to that person. So that makes it easy for the. So when I mean by cash sale, again, sale drop-down menu, plus button, click on invoice, it pops up the screen. See where I'm going to say create a cash sale. It's going to default to this customer called cash sale here that was pre-set up in the settings section in the in Creata. So see there, it's now defaulted to cash sale. So when people walk in, you're just going to do a cash sale, add the people in there. Now we're going to add the items in here, same as usual with all the with the other videos, which is quotes and invoices, same elements. So we search. I'm not going to choose a bundle, we'll choose a product. And product here, 2 of those and 4 of those. So the guy's walking through, wanting to buy something from your organization, and you press save. Okay. Now you can push it into the accounting package as a cash sale in the system. The other little neat thing you have the ability to do is that you can assign a customer to this. So in here, in the invoice section, we have a customize section in here, and I can bring in a company or contact or both, for example, in here. So I'm just going to try and find it really quickly. So sold to. So what that means is that you can define it when I click on the edit button here, and I can say it all sold to this particular customer in here. So you don't have to do this, but you can mark it as a customer in our system. So in the reporting, or when that person walks through, for example, just make it better, like Bondi, for example. Bondi, oops. So the Bondi customer walked through, took some orders, you put them in as a cash sale, it goes in the accounting package as a cash sale, as paid, and then you can mark it as sold to this person if you want to for marketing purposes. So that kind of helps out with creating a cash sale. Simple as that. So you've done that, and you can push it to the accounting packages as prepaid. So that's the cash sale side of the fence. The other is going to be similar. You click on sale and invoice and pop up invoice. Same thing, you just don't have sold to, and for example, the customer is blank. So cash sale will predefine it to a particular cash sale customer. In normal invoice, you will assign it to exactly to a customer itself, Bondi. And the invoice is pretty much connected to terms. For example, the guy's got 14 days to pay this invoice, or a day, whatever the terms are, and that means that you can create an invoice, send it to the client, give them the goods, and he's got 14 days to pay, or whatever the terms are for your customer. So that's the same thing. The sold to doesn't relate to this particular client. You can do payments in here, and you can receive a payment as an invoice. So you still can do a cash sale type invoice, but you're really marking this invoice to the customer, where cash sale, you're really marking the invoice to a fictitious user called cash sale, because you don't want to flood your accountancy package with all these users, as most times with cash sales. You still can do invoices and and take the money, but cash sale is like, hey, I paid it as well, so helps you out with that. So we can save and close there. So pretty much that is, you still got the scanning capability, which is in the other videos in there, and the that kind of the pick, pack, ship side of the fence is more connected to the order side in our accountancy packages as well. You still can create reports in here of picking slips and stuff, but we've just been reserved to have, when you want to do pick, pack, ship, we're into the ordering section as well. Some companies don't need to do that, but we just do it as that's kind of how it's done in the world of process. So I hope that helps with the invoicing side of the fence. Really, the key difference is that the cash sale and invoice for walk-ins for invoicing. Other than that, sales is a group of doing quotes, orders, and invoicing, and the invoice is the last part that you can actually just really collect the money side of the fence as well in our side of the fence. So I hope that helps with the sales side of invoicing. Any questions, give us a call, and we're happy to chat more about all the features. Talk soon. Bye.